Okay, Bitcoin price action is still below 30,000. I said I'm bearish, and let's analyze it together. What could happen? So you can see this is the Bitcoin chart. Price rejects 30,000. Now found a little flag through this area here. So I think if I want to sell it, now I missed this. I like to see this break, stay below the 29. Then yes, look to be a seller of Bitcoin. Ultimately, I see price is rolling lower anyway, so short term, I mean, 4 to 6 months time, I do feel like price could come back to around the 20k 19k area there. Then I would probably consider to be a buyer. So around this area, 20k would be a buying zone for me for longer term period. Okay, Ethereum, let's have a quick look on Ethereum. Not the best price action. Okay, so still hovering around the 1,800 area. Last time we had a fake out and then come straight back in, so could that happen? Yeah, we could try. If we stay below this 1,800, I'd look to be a seller of Ethereum. Again, when the price comes to around this trend line, bottom trend line area, around 1,400, 300 area, I'd like to be a buyer for longer term investment purpose. Okay, finally I want to show you Ripple, because I actually haven't seen the chart. I don't really care about the news too much because my plan hasn't changed, so what's the point looking at it all the time anyway, right? So having a quick look, I have a members that was asking me, oh, could this break lower? You can see we had a big buying on weekly, but actually it's 1 day bar, so already rolling lower. So we had the news of sorting out the court cases and then jump higher, can't break this high, and then now we are breaking sort level, drifting lower. So my view is we could see 48 cents or could drop even lower. Let's have a quick look and analyze that together again. Yeah, I think we could see as low as 30, 40, or yeah, around 30 cents is more like a horizontal level. Yeah, I like that. I think the 30 cents would be an area that I look to be a buyer of Ripple, and then wait for crazy move to around $3. That's 1,000%. Not bad for me. So yes, top of my list, end of the year, I'll buy some Ripple at around 30 cents. Do you guys agree with me? And what is your plan on cryptocurrency? Let me know in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching.